Alright, for the next example we have 5.762 times 10 to the 5th. And again, we want to take this scientific number and convert it back to standard or a decimal number. We're going to follow exactly the same steps we did before, so let's take a look. Alright, we're going to simply move the decimal based on the exponent. If the exponent's negative, we're going to move it left. If the exponent's positive, we're going to move it to the right. So in this case, our exponent's positive, so we're going to be taking this decimal, moving it to the right 5 units. Pretty simple. Alright, so let's just rewrite our decimal down here. Maybe that was a little sloppy. 5.762. So like I said, normally I just rewrite my decimal number. Okay, so we're going to be taking that decimal, moving it 5 units to the right. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Now again, we ran out of digits here. So just like the last example, even when you move to the right, you want to follow step 2 and insert zeros where needed. So since there's basically run out of digits, we're going to put some zeros there. Okay, so how many zeros do you think we're going to need? Well, let's put a 0 here to the right. And let's try to move this again. That's 4 times, right? But we need to move it a total of 5 times. So I need one more 0, and then I can put my decimal there. Okay, now that's not going to be my final answer, but what it lets me know is I've taken this decimal, move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right because this exponent was 10 to the 5th. Okay, and then of course we're going to do our last step, which is to simplify that. So, basically, how do you simplify this number? Well, it's pretty simple, right? You don't really need this decimal in the end, right? I mean, we moved it, which was great. That let us know we need to add these 2 zeros. But whenever you have a number and there's a decimal all the way to the right, you don't need it. In other words, the final answer here is 576,200 without the decimal. And for some people, you can put a comma here for every 3 digits. So there you go. There's your final answer. Follow these 3 steps when converting from scientific back to standard and you'll be good to go. If you have any other questions about this example or this lesson, let me know.